What's up, traders? Very good morning to everybody. Let's have a look and an update on gold from a weekly perspective or even a monthly perspective. Now, in my previous analysis, I told you guys that you can expect the market now to fill in this wick on the previous month's wick over here, and that's exactly what we got from this pair. So we have a nice wick fill over here on the monthly time frame. Now, if we go down on the weekly time frame, I also in my previous analysis, I told you guys to look out for this triangle and wait for the break out of this triangle, and that's exactly what we got. We had a nice push to the downside, completing this nice impulse to the downside. So what we expect from this area is we expect the market now to come up, make a retracement, and then of course continue the trend. So the market has created this long wick, or sorry, this long red candle on the weekly time frame, and it's pretty clear that the market would like to make a correction and then further continuation to the downside. So remember, my overall target as well for this pair is around this area here. That would be my first target area for a weekly push for gold. So this week you can expect the market now to come up and retest this previous structure here. Why do I choose this previous structure here? Because it was many times support before, and the market had a lot of trouble to break through this area over here. On the weekly time frame, we expect the market now to come up to this area. From this area on the daily and the 4-hour time frame, me and my students and VIP members will be looking for a possible selling opportunity with a good risk reward. If you have a look at the daily time frame, it's quite clear and quite simple that the market created this impulse to the downside, and now we expect the market to create a correction to this area for the next move to the downside. So on the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame, what you should be looking out for is you need to wait for the market to reach to this area over here. Then on the 4-hour time frame, we'll be looking for a possible entry for this commodity or for gold to take to the downside, because the market is just completing what it should complete, is an impulse to the downside, then followed by a correction, and then the next impulse to the downside. So a very simple price action move from gold, and this is what we will expect throughout this next week. As you can see on the COT data that I will not disclose in this video, but on the COT data, the US dollar is getting weak, so we can expect gold to now move up to this area here. And what I think from a COT and a bank and institution point of view, the market will be the USD will be very weak until Friday. Once the NFP is over, then we can see a strong US dollar, which will mean that the market should reach here, and then we will look for a selling opportunity to the downside. If you take your Fibonacci, guys, from this high over here all the way down to the low, you can see that the market has not yet retraced to any of the Fibonacci levels. So what we will be doing with students and members, we will be waiting on the 4-hour time frame for a good push to the downside for gold, and we will update you guys with a new analysis once the market has reached to this area over here. I hope you guys found this very educational, and I hope that it helped you guys to profit during the week. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and also you can share my ideas and also share it on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and thank you for your support. We will see you guys in the next video.